We're going to the drip. And behind me here we have a river! And this is the drip. Behind me now, a caveman once resided in here, this rock, the cave. I don't really know where the drip's going to be because, like, there's a lot of drips. As you can see, guys, the river moves. It moves like a snake all the way around the rock, further down the stream over there. The river's like a snake. You're not going to believe it, we've made it to the drip and this is just breathtaking. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the drip, but that is the drip right there. That. Yeah.